Oh, there it is. It's going. Wow, that's going on the video. Hey. What's going on, guys? It's Nathan here from Backyard Auto. We just pulled in the 2010 Chevy Malibu out from the trailer. We already did a scan on it. We found an intake cam performance code, and we also tried cranking it over, and it sounded like it had no compression at all. So we're going to go ahead and start taking apart the valve cover and see if we have any damage to our valves or anything. So let's tear it off! Our intake clamp here. There it is. So take our oil cap off. And then there's one screw they hide right in here. Oh, they didn't even...
Maybe someone had it off.
Yeah, somebody had it off and they never put it back. I was like, where is that screw? Oh. Need some pliers to get that vacuum hose off. But yeah, this thing sounded sad when I cranked it over. So my theory is that there's something wrong with the vehicle and it needs to be fixed. What?
I'd say that's a safe bet.
There we go, just like that.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Yes. The good old 2.4 liter. These things are pretty well known for jumping time. Just hopefully didn't do any serious damage. Gotta take all our ignition coils out. Carbureted bike. Oh my goodness. These looms are very fragile. So the black is going to our exhaust and the gray is going to our intake. Is that a vice grip?
Yeah, key is don't squeeze too hard. Just get it on enough to grip it and just give a little twist and shout. Come on, come on, come on now, baby, now. Come on, baby. Work it on out. Woo, shoot.
Uh-oh. As you can see, we have metal on our solenoid, on our exhaust cam solenoid.
It's a good sign there's
The breasts.
things going on behind this front cover. We just taught our audience a cool trick.
And me.
We have a lot to learn.
You gotta sing and work it on out.
Woo! Oh my goodness. What? Yo guys, look at this solenoid.
Now when he's going back and forth.
Oh, there you go.
Like, oh my goodness. This is what you call no bueno.
Yeah, we're gonna pull that cover and
Oh boy.
we're gonna find our reason for the no start.
Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and take off. Well, let's make sure our harnesses are. But we have the. Oh my! Look at this. Just falling apart. My goodness. No longer a harness. It's just a bunch of wires. Our like loom for our harnesses is just disintegrating. It should not do that.
You don't have to get all the bolts out, but it helps.
Ah! Thank you.
There you go.
That was when I got that hose clamp. Try to go my way, like this way out. There you go.
There we go.
Oh.
Oh, I see some slack.
Uh-oh! No bueno.
Yeah, between that and the shavings, we'll tear down even further.
Yeah. Alrighty.
Engine mount.
This is an engine mount. Take the wheel off. Yoink. And now we gotta take our actual wheel well out of here.
Still have to take those push clips out too. But show them how just take your trusty 3/8 ratchet.
Yeah, I accidentally paused the video. You just take a 3/8 drive ratchet and you put it into this hole here. Yep, just like that. And now before we take off our harmonic balancer, we're taking our #1 piston and bringing it to top dead center. The way we're doing that is making sure on our valves that our intake valve is going to be compressed all the way down and our exhaust valve is going to be all the way up, indicating that's our intake stroke. And then we're going to put a extension down in there. So in order to do that, we have to take our spark plug out.
I'm gonna go fishing here.
Oh, there it is.
Look what I got!
That's a nice looking spark plug.
Woohoo!
It looks like they replaced that. And then we're going to stick an extension down there to actually see the piston go up and stop. And right where it starts to slow down and it's getting ready to go back down, we're going to stop right there, and that's going to be our top dead center on our intake stroke. Piston, 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 piston.
This engine jump time, so this isn't going to be 100% accurate, but our timing marks on our cams, we're going to have triangle facing, what would that be, the
That'd be like
2 o'clock, 3 o'clock on your intake cam, and then your exhaust cam will be facing like 9 or 10 o'clock. And you'll know you're on the right stroke by doing that as well. And then like Nathan mentioned, you can also watch your valves. And get them started. They make some pretty fancy tools to help, but you can use some side cuts, but just be careful not to squeeze too hard.
Yeah. Like that?
Like that.
See guys, that's what you don't want to
And
do.
then a little trick to stuff it in the hole. Then it don't want to come out. Then you just go in the hole.
Oh, I just went right through.
Yeah. Booze.
Hey, there's a harmonic. Oh.
Yeah, so we'll lower it a little bit so you can get at that. With these Malibus, this piece here, it goes way back underneath, and so
You gotta bend it back.
you just kind of move it out of your way. Maybe we can use the bottom here. That's probably better.
Like that?
Yep. There we go. Ta-da!
That'd be funny if it like release it, go. So that's so we're leaving off of our exhaust valve.
All right. You just started down. So do we have any marks up top? I think we do.
Both our valves are closed, closed right now. So that's why we're on a compression stroke. We're not pushed down on our intake valve. You see how the lobe is like sticking to the side? It's closed.
Yes, sir.
It was just compressing.
Ooh. Woohoo! There's. Can I see that?
Yeah.
Move your head and.
I'm sorry.
Woohoo! Look at that.
I mean, it's just a little bit of slack. It'll be fine. Oh, see, look, it's fine. See, look, that's what you want to see right there.
And notice the guide's missing.
Oh, yeah. Where'd that go? Right there. I feel like it's slowing down. Right there.
And there is no mark in sight.
Well, it's probably skipping everywhere.
Let's hope our valves aren't bent, folks.
Yeah. But if they are, there'll be a video coming out about it. Look.
Alright, look at that.
Comes right off. So that tension is a 15. Ooh.
So if this is to relieve tension, so some people do yoga,
Oh my god.
some people go for walks in the park, some people take a serpentine belt off to relieve the tension. Hey!
God, I feel so much more relaxed now.
That was good.
We got a ratchet here, a 1/4" ratchet, as you can see right there. And can you believe it, guys? The 10mm.
We found that.
Yeah.
Someone else lost it. We found it.
Got him. Smash like if you ever lost a 10mm before.
We lost ours. Now, when we take that front cover off, when the engine's tilted down, we will lose oil out the front. So I should probably drain the oil for us.
Yeah.
Oh, these buckets smell like pickles.
They're pickle buckets.
We're pickling our engine oil.
Yep. So if you want to buy some, the link will be in the description below to our eBay account, and you could just buy some pickled oil. How much are we selling it for? $5 per
Yeah,
container?
$5 a bucket. That's what I was thinking.
Yeah, we're not trying to make millions. We're trying to,
Just get rid of some oil.
Yeah, pretty much. Well, we'll just say it does to help sales. It does help with oil burners. It cleans it out and helps it burn
And
hotter.
it makes it smell like pickles.
Yeah. It's like when you put French fry deep fryer grease in your diesel. It smells like French fries. Same concept.
Yeah, and so instead of saying it smells like burning oil, it smells like burning pickles.
I don't know what that smells like.
Like deep fried pickles.
I hope so.
I like working on cars with my son.
How sweet. You're only saying it because the camera's here.
I just told you what happened. You have to take my word for it.
I don't believe them.
I ripped 2 gloves. The myth, the legend.
You guys remember that one video where she put valve body bug?
Run, Mom, run!
Got you.
In your video.
Got you. Look at in my glove. Darn it. So I got this trick. I put a piece of block of wood on the axle and lower the jack out. Pretty smart idea, right?
Love it, man.
So- You'll learn one day.
Mom!
That was gross.
Gross.
Alright.
Because these bolts are a little bit tighter. Leverage. Well, the filter's probably doesn't look glittery. Really? Like that. There's one right here too. Oh man. Maybe just needs an oil change.
Oh, why didn't I see that? Ooh, hello.
And there's like the single 13 that you have to take out.
Yeah, and that other 2 cents, we can probably get at it. We'll get at it all from underneath if you want to go and raise it up.
Yeah, we can. Why is the 11 the 13?
What? You don't have to have the right size socket,
Oh man.
but it helps.
It was in the 13 slot. Somebody bamboozled me.
Bamboozled. Longitudinal transmission.
This is not longitudinal.
Hey,
You know what
listen.
is longitudinal? Place McFarland's Chevy Spark. Oh my god.
I told you. You don't have to have the right size
No,
socket,
it's just. Yeah.
but it helps.
What's a 13 in SAE?
Here, we got 13 down here, Paul.
Okay, so first try, I got this 13mm socket. Easy going.
Don't mind me.
Man, I see where I get my flashlight holding skills from. Must be genetic.
I'm holding the light for me. Listen, you need to respect your
Elders.
father.
Elders. See if I get a better angle with this camera.
This is actually a water pump bolt. So we're gonna have to get the tri stand.
Ta-da. Got it.
All right. Now we're going down.
Never heard that song before.
We're all the way down.
Oh. Look, guys, look.
Is that it?
Woohoo! And snapping it. How many? I don't know how many bolts.
You want me to remember how many bolts?
How many bolts is there?
How am I going to remember that? Teamwork makes the dream work.
Teamwork! What?
Told you we were going to lose some oil. This kind of working. I can't even get a new one on.
Told you. You said that earlier.
Yeah, we're working on getting the cover off.
All the different size bolts.
You got room to lock this onto it? Well, look at you. It's coming. There you go.
You blocked the viewer so they can't see how strong I am. Brackets. Oh shoot.
Looking for the 13, but I found it.
That needs to come out.
Got it?
Thank you. This is the engine mount brackets.
It's just stuck on the down.
Hey! You hit them. Why would you hit them?
Earthquake.
Ow.
Sorry. Oh, good Lord. So,
Oh boy.
we've got carnage.
Hey guys, that's not supposed to be in there.
Looks like our balance shaft is wasted. The balance shaft sprocket. And actually, Summit Racing, you can buy just the sprocket. So we see a lot of pieces falling. And no doubt some are laying down on the bottom of the oil pan and can block the, what can it block down there, Nathan?
Oil pickup tube.
Yeah, and so, boy, there's still pieces laying down in front there. See that? Oh. This plug right here, we'll get an Allen and take this plug out here, and that'll give us access to the upper guide bolt.
Yeah.
And a lot of times that guide bolt
Is no longer present.
yeah, it breaks but Dorman actually makes a kit that you can just leave the broken part off in the head and replace this plug here. It has a little nubby on the end that actually will hold the top of the guide.
There you go. That's inside the oil pan.
Whoop.
Hey, I thought you did that on purpose.
No, I was taking the Allen wrench socket off.
What's up with this guy?
I didn't need them.
Yay!
It'll be a 10 millimeter.
Uh-oh! Where'd it go? There's no bolt behind there to get.
There's not a 10 back in there?
Nope. There is a recessed hole with threads in there, but
Seriously.
yeah, it's gone.
So did the bolt break or did it unthread? I wonder if the, here, let's try to, we'll take one of these guide bolts that are broken.
Ow.
So this guide is
Yeah, this one's done for.
definitely broke.
There should be a piece of plastic right here. You know, these links are still colored. You usually don't see that. You don't think somebody goofed up and... Look, you can still see the
Did
red.
timing chains on it?
And yeah, didn't thread a bolt and it just failed the entire thing.
Whoa.
Because that link is still red. You don't see that too often. Usually these things are faded out from the heat and the oil additives eating it up. That is bright red. It makes you wonder what happened. Oh, missed a little piece. I wonder if somebody... Because that chain, now that I said that, it looks new. That chain looks very new. Compared to There's a piece of plastic stuck down in there.
Let's see if we can start a bolt in here. No, it's all marred out.
Mm-hmm.
Huh? Yeah. Unless it was marred out, you know, if someone was in here and
Cross-threaded?
just tried to send it.
That's to a guide.
Yeah, that's that front guide. I don't know, guys. I mean,
I think somebody's been in here. But you could still see that red link down there too. That red link is bright red still. Isn't GM's original colors white, not red? They're not red links, are they?
I don't know. Yeah, it does not appear to be.
Yeah, I think somebody's been in here.
But let's get that off there. But I don't think there's a washer on there. That means someone has been in here.
Oh no!
Silly people. And that bolt is not in there.
So that guy just gone.
Let's see if, or is that one broke off? That's broke off in there. That was the one I had to drill out on our Equinox. And let me tell you,
It's not fun.
it was not fun. Angle drill and a reverse bit, and you hope that you get lucky and it bites onto it and threads out. But yeah, that's broke, so that's going to have to be drilled. Take the tensioner out. I don't know if we have a socket big enough here or not. This back here.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
an inch and a quarter, I believe.
Yeah, it's an inch and a quarter.
There you go.
Just in case they're like, what are you talking about? Well, you see, I'm talking about this. This tensioner. You need a big socket.
We'll see what we come up with.
Oh no! Kind of shaved off a little bit. That's not good, guys. In case you're wondering.
All right, this guide comes out the top, like so. And then the chain will come out the top as well. Got it.
Is there a washer on that? Nope.
No, I don't see it. But there's nothing on this. I'll have to double check on the gear and the Malibus.
I did one on a Cobalt and I had it.
We'll replace all the other, the balanced tensioner, the chain. We'll get new chain and tensioner for the primary. But the big thing is getting that broken bolt drilled out. Darn it.
Yeah, that's fun. So the question is, will Nathan and Dwayne be able to save this timing chain job, or will this engine have to be pulled out and ripped apart because that that whole bolt broken deal thing not work out?
Bolt broken deal thing.
That bolt broken thing. That thing don't look good. Alright guys, well thank you for watching part 1 of our no start on our 2010 Malibu. We know why it don't start now. It don't got no compression because of the timing chains. So stay tuned to find out how to fix this issue with the broken bolt. We'll teach you a few tricks and yeah, stay tuned. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.
Oh, hey!